Okay guys, I was home bored and I know I need to do this video, so I come on the beach to do this video. I'm going to try find somewhere quiet to set up because they kind of have music going because Independence is around the corner. But let's do this. New location, new views. Hey guys, I had a long day today. We came off the beach. I was so tired. I was supposed to stop and get some Marcus pizza because who cooking? No. But I didn't. I was just too tired. I went straight home. So I came home, fed the cats, washed the dishes, take out the garbage, and took a shower, turned the AC on in the room so it could cool down the place while I put away some laundry that we did from Sunday. Tomorrow is going to be Sunday again, so from a week ago. Anyways, I'm just tired, man, and I'm hungry. I'm starving, okay? Because all I ate today was some cereal after 12 or after 11 because I woke up after 10. Other than tasting those chips on the beach, and it's now after 8. What time is it? Yeah, it's 8:34. Like, what? So I wasn't gonna go back out, at least not all the way down to get no Marcus pizza. I had to settle with some good old hot and ready pizza. I went in there to order the pizza. They didn't have chicken. All she have is sausages, pepperoni, bacon, all pork. Like, what am I gonna eat? And whatever. So I just ordered some mushroom topping. So I got mushroom, sweet pepper, and jalapeno. So yeah, that's what we're about to eat right now. I'm about to grub and watch some YouTube. I'm gonna watch some YouTube, eat some pizza, and just end the night like this. So thank you guys for spending the day with me. I'll see you guys in the next part of this vlog. If you haven't liked us yet, like the video. Please like the video. It just takes 5 seconds. 1 second. And if you haven't subscribed us yet, subscribe and join the family. We have more lit contents to come. Don't be shy. Subscribe. See you guys in the next one.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart. Like,
hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna be doing a quick Amazon haul with you guys. I want to show you guys the items that I purchased. Basically, I am creating my own office space, home office space, because I've been doing a lot of overtime. I need to catch y'all up on that. I'm going to do another day in the life of an accountant. I did one vlog with that before and it did well, so I'm going to do another one because a lot happened. Okay, but yeah, basically I do a lot of overtime as of late. Not really as of late, it just got worse as of late, but I've always been doing overtime. Anyways, and it's uncomfortable home because I don't have a table or a chair, so I basically sitting in my couch or on my bed and just using the mouse like that, putting the laptop in my lap on a pillow, and it's really uncomfortable. So I'm excited. I purchased some stuff off Amazon. I purchased the desk, table, and little accessories to make it cute. Like I think I purchased a mat and a mouse, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, I'm trying to do a pink theme. I should have done blue. I wanted to do blue, but I kind of changed my mind because, you know, blue is my favorite color. Every shade blue, it doesn't matter. And then pink, but I don't know, the pink was just popping for me. The pink was just cute. So that's what we're about to do. I'm going to show you guys the unboxing and the items, and then I'll do a little reveal and show you guys the setup. It's not going to be a complete setup because I have more stuff in my cart that I need to purchase. Oh, the thing is, because I made one big order, but they ship it in different pieces, and one of the items end up going to Freeport, my Freeport address, instead of Nassau. So the chair went to Freeport. Everything else came here in Nassau, but I'm gonna have to let my mom ship the chair from Freeport to Nassau for me. Yeah, guys, but stay tuned.
Baby, oh, summer turned into fall. See, it's funny cause
Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to show you guys the items that I was talking about earlier. My Amazon package. Unbox with me, even though I did sneak peek. Let's unbox together. So, this item. Oh wait, I have another package. 1 minute. This one. Okay guys, first thing I'm gonna show you guys is this. This is so nice. I could feel the texture on this. It's nice and thick. Nice and thick, and it wasn't cheap because I had to buy the cheap stuff and then you have to replace it so quickly. So you guys know my kitchen is like black and white checker theme. Black and white checker theme. So I had this pattern rug in the kitchen before. Where did I purchase those? I think Amazon as well, but it was less. The quality was less. This is nice and thick. Like that one is not that sturdy. You could throw it in the washer. This one you can feel like you can't throw it in the washer, and it's like anti-slip. So I'm gonna show a picture of it. I'm excited to put this in my kitchen. Okay? I'm excited. This, I'm not sure how well this will work, but you're supposed to purchase some mirror. You're supposed to purchase a standing mirror so we could see ourselves when we get ready. Like this place, the apartment doesn't have no mirror, and yeah, we just been slunking because who would have thought mirrors are so expensive? Like when you look at standing mirror, it's like it's really expensive. I don't know, but I saw these on Amazon, and it's basically like square shapes that you could adhesive. You can stick it to the wall and yeah, make whatever pattern you want, and you can see yourself. But I thought it was gonna be more glassy. This is a different material. Let me open one. So this looks like you can't really see yourself properly. It's not really a mirror. Unless, oh yes, it is shiny. You could peel this off. There's a covering on it, so it's not this. Yeah, it's nice in color. Oh, you see that? Yes. Okay. So yeah, I think this could work. I'm gonna show you guys when I put this up. Of course, I'm excited now because I really thought this was what I'm getting. Like, I can't see anything through this, but yes, it's covered. So yeah, this should work properly. This should work good. And the stuff that I purchased for my home office, this is one of them. I think I told you guys that I was going with the pink. Oof. I'm going with the color pink. This is cute. So this is just a desk organizer. Put your stuff in. You put your pencil pens, staplers, notepads, sticky notepads, paper clip, thumbtacks, everything, and it's pink. It's cute. It's nice. Okay. This. Okay. This is this mat. Also pink. Also pink. So we can put this on the desk and then rest your computer on it. Yes. Oh, It's gonna be cute. Everything is gonna come together beautifully. Then we have this cute mouse, this pink mouse. It is so cute. Like, let me show you guys. And it's a car. Like, how cute is it? Like, what? So cute. So cute. I got inspired by my boss, my prior boss. Like, she always find a good gadget. So here she have a nice Jeep looking one. It was so cool. That was my first time seeing it. So I had to look for one and got one for myself. Why is this rattling though? What's going on in here? Let me see where you put the batteries. You have the little buttons on the side here, the front foot of the car is the buttons. It's so cute. But I'm trying to figure out how to open it so I can put the batteries in. That's what I'm trying to. It's rattling. I don't know if that's normal. Oh, I think what's making the noise is the adapter that you plug into your the laptop. Yeah, the USB adapter. But how do you get it out? I'm trying to. Oh, there you go. Just pull the sunroof off. Pull the sunroof off. And then yes, it is the adapter. So you plug this into your laptop and it uses 2 batteries. What are these? 2 AAA batteries. Nice. Because I was wondering why is it rattling? Like, why making noise? Like, my car need to service already? Like, what? Yeah, guys, so just open the hood and we're good. And I also got this. This is a stand for your phone. It's so cute. I am so pissed because afterwards I saw the pink stands. I didn't see the colored ones. I only saw white and black, so I got the black. But I saw the pink, and the pink is so cute. It's a little bit different, but it basically does the same thing. Comes in this 3 pieces. So I'm going to buy the pink one for home, so it could match with all my pink accessories. And then I'm going to take this to work. Like, yeah. So just snap that in and then put this on to tighten it. This is nice. So it's a phone stand, and the pink one that I saw is actually a phone stand and a tablet stand, so you could do both. Oh, this comes with screws to tighten the bottom. Okay, makes sense. So put these 2 pieces, put it in here like that, and then tighten it. Nice. Then you just use this to tighten the screw. Make sure the screw is secure. Nice, nice. Yes, Andy Dandy candy. So yeah, can it extend? Oh yeah, a little bit. Yeah, so put your phone in, you can have it sideways like that, landscape or vertical. So this is the longest it could go, and then you can go like that. So yeah, it's cute. Remember I told you guys that the chair that I ordered, the computer chair, it got shipped to the wrong location. It went to my old address in Freeport, Bahamas instead of Nassau. So I'm gonna let my mom ship it to me, put it on the boat and send it here. But let me show you guys the table. Khadija was excited last night. Actually, I was excited, and yeah, she ended up putting it together. So let me show you the chair, the table. This is the table. This is the desk. I end up getting this color because it was a little bit cheaper, but I should have stick to like black or white. Yeah, but it's nice and sturdy. We have some shelves here, which is pretty cool. That's what it is. Where am I gonna put it? I think we're gonna relocate the cat. Relocate the cat later. Put this chair further down. Put it all the way down. Make space to put it right here. And put the cat litter further towards the kitchen. Yeah, we gotta make do with the space that we do have. And I want to find something to put on this. I hate the bare ugliness of this. I was looking on Temu for a frame, a picture frame, maybe blue and pink to match the vibe, but I just need something long enough, because these ones that we have here, it's not long enough. They look big, but they still isn't long enough to cover. But yeah, this is gonna be my little setup right here.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
Okay guys, I also forget to show you guys the monitor. I have my monitor here that I purchased also, so I'll be working on my laptop, and I have the monitor as a second screen because working on one screen is annoying. So let me unbox this and show you guys a quick setup. It's not complete, but I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek. Okay guys, this is the quick overview of my mini office. This is the monitor. Everything is so cute. Obviously I don't have my stuff yet. Still waiting for the chair, and I'm gonna buy a few more items to complete the look, but so far it's cute. Don't you guys think it's cute? Okay, so later I'm going to, when I actually start working here, I'm gonna move the monitor, put it here so my laptop could go right here in the center. Yeah, so the monitor is gonna be on the left on side right here, and I'll move this stand and put it on this side. So yeah, this is just the setup before I start working, before I start using it. So far it's so good. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any idea, any suggestions, and yeah, where I could find a nice frame to put here to complete the look. It's not a whole office, it's not a whole room, but you know, you start from somewhere and you grow. So this is my starting point, and I'm pretty excited. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this kind of content. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below and share your opinions.